This is an evil way to earn money. You go to two of these websites and sign up for each of them. You get some offers, create a surprise ad with those offers, and in just a few moments, you can generate as much as nearly $3 and even more every 2 minutes. Sit back and relax as you watch your earnings grow day by day until it reaches a few hundred or even a few $1,000s passively. It may be sinister on the surface, but in the end, you're helping everyone so they can learn and win something from whatever you can offer. And the best part? It's beginner-friendly and extremely easy to follow. Curious to learn more about what this wicked strategy is? Go to the dark side and watch this video until the very end. Hello and welcome to The Money Hustle, where earning money online is made easy. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. As a result, if you find this video to be useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you may be among the first to watch the latest videos and apply the new and innovative strategies I develop for making money online. As you can see, my balance has nearly reached $600. The reason why I'm showing you this is that there's a ton of potential in this method. It's completely possible to earn as much as I did. You just need to take note of some special tips. For this evil strategy, you're going to head to these two websites in order to earn. And the first of those two websites is CPALead.com. CPA Lead is a popular platform with a pretty legit following. Having already been recognized by business and marketing platforms such as Trustpilot and Inc. as one of the leading mobile app install networks online. As you can guess from the name alone, CPA Lead is a CPA network. I'm sure some of you guys have already heard of CPA marketing, but if you haven't and it's your first time ever hearing this, let me give you a short backstory. CPA, also known as cost per action, is an exciting and dynamic way to earn money online by promoting products and services and convincing users online to use or install those products and services. It's a performance-based marketing approach where you can earn a commission for each specific action taken by a customer, such as making a purchase, filling out a form, or downloading an app to their mobile phone or computer. CPA marketing is a win-win scenario for both you and the advertiser. The advertiser only pays for results and the affiliate, yes, you, earns money for your efforts in promoting what the advertiser wishes to offer. There may be some risks and dangers here and there, but overall it's a great way to earn online nowadays, especially if you're looking for a real passive income stream. You will need to have an account in order to make things happen. Signing up for a CPA Lead account is completely free and takes only a few minutes of your time. Click on the sign up button right here, and from there, you'll need to add basic details about yourself such as first and last name, email address, and password. As you scroll down, you'll find a security Q&A section where you pick from any of the provided questions and answer confidently what you know. As soon as you log in, you'll be redirected to your account dashboard, where you will see how much you can make on this website. I've already made a ton of money with my account, but it certainly won't be like this if you sign in for the first time. That will change once you get to choose from CPA Lead's impressive list of offers that are updated every day. We'll tackle more on that later on, but for now, let's move on to the next step, which is to go to Roy Dodley. Roy Dodley allows you to place ads on all the links to websites that you plan on sharing. Just like CPA Lead, using Roy Dodley is simple and straightforward. You sign in, create an ad, add some details, and fine-tune the rest using its ad builder feature. As soon as your ad goes live, your users will notice your ad and maybe click on it. It's as easy as it gets, and you'll need to have this platform ready because you'll be using it to share your offers from CPA Lead online. To register for a Roy Dodley account, you'll need to sign in using either your email account or social media sites like Facebook. For the sake of this video, let's register using your email address. Once you receive the code from Roy Dodley in your email inbox or spam box, you will then use it to sign into the platform for the first time. Next, go back to your CPA Lead dashboard and from the left side menu, click on Offers. This is where things start to get a little interesting. Here, you're going to select offers that are worth sharing. Now, here's a tip that can help you make more money in the long haul. Most of the offers here may cost fairly less per click, but what I want you to do is choose one with the highest price per click on this list. If possible, go for an ad offer that's priced a few dollars. You can go for one that's $1.50 per click or around $2 per click, or heck, even nearly $3 per click. With all that in mind, once you're locked into your offer, copy the affiliate link to the offer you want to promote and then head over to Roy Dodley for the next step. Once you're back in Roy Dodley, click on the Create New Ad button right over here from your account. A new window will show up and it will ask you to fill in details of what you're going to build. Type in the ad name to whatever you have in mind. In this case, let's go for Ways to Make Money 2023 and choose which domain to use once the link is generated. As soon as you click on Add, you've now entered the Roy Dodley Ad Builder, and you've also reached the most important step of the entire strategy. If you're wondering why it's called evil in the first place, look no further than the evil pop-up option that you can easily find from the ad types. You may notice that the default ad type will be chosen at top, so if you spot this, make sure to change it to evil pop-up. Here's another tip to keep in mind when building what's essentially a pop-up ad for your offer. Placed below the ad type options is the Show After field, where you can set how long you may want your customers to wait until it pops up out of nowhere. This is exactly where the element of surprise that I talked about earlier really kicks in. For this field, I suggest you set the duration to anywhere between 10 to 30 seconds. That's enough time to reel your users in for a shock when they see your ad show up unexpectedly. Pretty wicked, I must say. Now scroll down a bit further and you'll have to fill in additional details to make your evil pop-up more spot on. From the profile name or pop-up title to the short but engaging description of the offer you want to share, and even down to the text within the button. Next, paste the copied link to your CPA Lead offer in the right fields, particularly the profile URL and the link for the button. Adjust the settings a little bit to make your pop-up look and feel more convincing. Plus, to make it look even more inviting, head over to Flat Icon and find any simple icon that you can download for absolutely free and use for your pop-up. As soon as you're all set with your ad, the next step will be to search for an article on Google. Not just any article, but those that talk about the ad name you just made over at Right.ly. Since your ad name is Ways to Make Money 2023, I want you to search for articles that discuss exactly that. Once you found your article from the search results, copy the URL of the article found right here at the top. Then, in Right.ly, go over to this section under the text, place your ad on any link and paste the link. Now next to the link field is a top-down menu for all the ads you have made. Since we only have one newly made ad so far, let's choose that as the type of ad that you'll use. This is where your newly created evil pop-up ad will be placed. Once that's dealt with, a new link will be generated which will look like this. And that's basically it. You can now share this link with your audience and watch the clicks and cash roll in. Every time someone clicks on your Right.ly link, they'll have the first few seconds to enjoy and explore the article until your evil ad pops out of nowhere. And you get to earn as much as nearly $3 every few minutes as a result. It's that simple. Now that you have what's essentially the final link ready for sharing, the last thing you must do is go to any of the 2 best traffic sources, and one of those sources can be via online forums for certain niches or interests. In this case, you may need to sign up for a forum for discussions about get-rich-quick schemes or other ways to make money online like beer money. If you do choose that route, you'll need to take a little bit of time and effort to look for multiple communities and make meaningful posts so your fellow users can find value in them. Just make sure to include the Roy Dodley link in each of the posts. Another ideal traffic source can be Facebook groups that discuss the same topic. The mechanics are very similar. Find multiple groups and make comprehensive posts with your link included in them. So if you have a Facebook account and don't want to deal with forum websites, this alternative may be a great way to start. If you made it this far until the end and are liking this strategy so far, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on our latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.